Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with a brand new video. Now in today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to get access to Fable 5 by Anthropic for free. Now if you are not familiar with Fable 5, it's the latest model and the talk of every YouTuber right now. It's taking the net by storm because it's so capable, and as you can see, we have the chart right here, the benchmarks that are provided by Anthropic themselves, and it shows you how good of a model this is, and compared to other contemporaries model from the same company and different companies as well, you can see who's taking the lead by a big margin. So in today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to get Fable 5 for free, but in order to do that, you gotta watch the video. And also I gotta note that this method is working as of now, so if you are watching this tutorial a month from now, 2 months, I don't know, then probably this will be likely not working. So I'm not really sure, but as of now it's working and you can use it right away. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the intro. Let's just get straight to it. Now everything will be in the description down below. Click on the first link that will lead you to getlab.com, and then here click on sign in. Okay, and from here what you can do, click on register now and put in your first name, last name, username, company email and password, or you can use your GitHub or Google account to sign up. Now once you create your account, they will tell you to actually set up a group and set up a project, so you gotta do that first, and you will have to verify your account, which that includes put in your phone number. You will get an OTP, and you can then verify your account. So once you go through all of those steps, you should have, or you should click on the groups section right here, and you should find your group right here. If you don't find your group, you can create your own. So click on new group right here. That is, if you don't find your group, which usually it is created automatically once you create your account. So if you don't find it, then create your own group. Click on create group right here, name it whatever you want. So let's just name it, for example, HadiTech, and this will be the URL. Okay, so this is just to explain to you guys. Then for the visibility level, just click on private, leave it as is, and in here just select just me, because you are the only one that's trying to use this group. And from here you can select the users of this group. So for my users will be, I want to store my code, and just like this, click on create group and you will create your group right here. Again, if you don't find your group, then you can create your own one. Now once you create your own group, or if you have the first one created, click on it, and as you can see, you'll notice that your subscription for now, it's the ultimate trial, so you can use pretty much everything for free right now. So now everything is just set up. Click on this window right here and it will give you this sidebar, and in here you can pretty much select every model that you want to use. So we got Cloud Haiku, you got Sonnet, you got GPT, I guess, Opus. So we want to look for Fable. So let's just type in Fable just like this, and this is it guys. So click on it, and now we are using Fable. So let's just adjust this window right here, and now we can start using Fable 5 by Anthropic. Now I do have a generic prompt that I will send to Fable 5 in order to test that this model is actually working. So let's just send this prompt. Now as you can see, Fable 5 started coding, and this code is for a landing page for an automation called Opus. So this is the prompt itself, and we're going to review that in a second once everything is done. Now Fable 5 is done coding the web page, and if we copy the code itself and go to an HTML viewer and paste the code right here, as you can see, we can now see our web page and what Fable created. We got a nice landing page with blocks. The design looks good, and if you want to host this, obviously we can just create an index HTML file and we can host this landing page guys. So this is just again a quick tutorial on how to get Fable 5 for free, and we just test it with you guys to show you that the model is actually working. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and claim 30 days for free with GitLab. We have reached the end of our video guys. If you found this video helpful, then please kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves guys. See you in the next one, and peace.